This is Microsoft 365 Copilot. I had a bit of difficulty getting it set up because whenever I opened the app, it would stay on the "Let's get things ready for you" screen. Now that it has completely set up, I can show you what it's like. So, on first glance, it's like a one-stop shop for all things Microsoft 365 related. It's the Copilot, which means that it assists the main driver, which is Microsoft 365, to help you get familiar with the applications and the features that it offers. To the bottom right corner of your screen, you should see a panel view generated containing your applications that you have installed, as well as what you can create using this application. If you go in the settings section, you will have a feature that allows you to enable dark mode, and you will have to be using this mode on your computer before you see the changes reflected here in the application. If I click on the apps tab right here, you will see the list of apps that I have installed. And you can receive more if you are running the latest version of the Microsoft 365 suite. You can see the rest of apps you have installed by clicking on the three horizontal dots in the bottom left corner of your screen, and they'll be displayed right here for you. There's a Copilot chat, which you see right here. It says you can chat with Copilot in your Microsoft 365 app. So my guess is that you have an AI chatbot installed within this feature, and that allows you to communicate in real time, just as how you would with another voice assistant such as ChatGPT, Siri, Amazon Alexa, or Gemini. You can also create things in this app, and it allows you to choose from the list of apps you have installed what to create. So this is in a nutshell what the Microsoft 365 Copilot is all about. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you have this installed on your computer. I'll catch you in the next video.